Stories create a group of people, create tribes. And where is it told? It's being told in a special place. And this special place could be a mound, could be in a cave, and that place is called a holy place. Where these stories are being told, it is a special place, and this is where later on temples are being built. And this place is what they call an axis mundi. And an axis mundi is that where your experience of ordinary life it's where the divine and the mortal people meet. And so today these places are supposed to be, now I say supposed, yeah, it's a crucial word there. These places are supposed to be what we call temples, churches, because it's the meeting place of the mortal and the divine. And certainly in the past, that's what it is. Okay, are there any questions so far? Let's move on, and we're going to go back to the poem of I am. So, the first part of the exercise is basically I remember. Now, the I remember and the I am exercise, writing exercise, is really a writing activity. Now, when we say I remember, when we are writing the I remember, from what point of view are we writing?
Present.
Yeah, it's okay. That's also from the present, yes. But who is writing?
Yourself.
Yes, it's from a personal point of view. So in English, in the English language, they call it, it's the first person point of view. First person point of view. Have you learned this in the past now in your one of your English lessons? Great. So I don't need to talk about this. Let's just go through. So the I remember writing exercise is written from the first person point of view. Now, when we move from the I am, my intention was to move from the personal point of view to what?
The collective.
Okay, that's good. The collective.
That's not what you meant there.
Thank you. No, that's good. We'll come back to that answer, right? But there's more. It's more than the collective. It's a point of view more than the collective point of view. Because the collective point of view is you should start with what? When you write from the collective point of view.
We.
We. So you didn't say, we are the mayfly. So you could say, so it's essentially, yeah, we are the mayfly, or we are the frogs swimming happily in the clear pond. That's a collective point of view. And in English speaking, in English parlance, what point of view of that when you say collective?
Not a clue.
So it's basically it's the second person point of view. Yes, when we say we. Second person point of view. Yes. So after this lesson, you could Google points of view. Yeah, writing points of view. You could say first person, second person. Now when we, okay. So essentially, let's read your poem, yeah, from the collective point of view or the second point of view. Let's start. Let's read your poem from the second point of view.
I just knew you were gonna say me. What do I remember?
Yes. Now instead of saying I am, You write
What?
we. Yeah, you replace we are. Yeah. Replace I am with we are.
Are we not doing the I remember one first?
No, just go directly to we are. We are the.
Who else start? Why do you always pick me?
We can pick anybody. We can
Well,
start.
can you pick anybody then?
Okay. I am the blazing sun shining down upon the running
Now,
children.
Thank you. You in place of saying instead of saying I am, you
So
say
we are.
we are.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
We are the blazing sun shining down upon the running children. We are a weak egg cracking underneath the suffocating weight. We are bitter tasting jelly beans. We are long walk through the woods and wind in the branches. We are sprawling spiders in a clinically white hot tub. We are the river swirling between tight caps, desperate to gush through them with a gasp.
Thank you.
So would you like the one or the creep?
Okay, let us hear them.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Or
The we are, only the we are.
we are the corner eye. We are the breath on the back of your neck. We are shadows, always listening and seeing. We are the gap at the top of your skin.
Thank
It's a
you.
creepy one.
It's creepy.
And the other one was, we are the crisp snow crunching in the stillness. We are the excitement unspoken. We are the strike of 12 ringing out over the sleeping town.
Thank you.
Okay. We are the sweat falling from the forehead. We are the path beaten and smooth. We are the liquid running down the slim, moist area. We are the roots growing and running away. We are the ocean crashing and smashing the stones.
Thank you. Right. So that's the second point of view. The collective point of view is the second person point of view. Now, what is the point of view that I was trying to reach when I say the I am, who from host, although it's said from the I am point of view, which is supposed to be personal, but the person that I intend to be speaking when this is written from another point of view, not from the personal.
Say that again, sorry, Edwin.
Although, because when you say the personal point of view, you always say I am, right?
Yeah.
Right? But when I replace I remember to I am,
Yeah.
the person speaking in the I am is not the personal.
Yeah, I suppose.
Who is that person that I intended to speak when you write the words I am? Who is this person?
It's you, innit?
Who is this person?
What, when you write I am?
Yeah, when you said I am the frog swimming happily in the clear pond.
First person.
It's yourself.
So that's the first person, but basically when the story, now here it is, when the stories are spoken to the people at the time, there is an experience that these words of I am is spoken by somebody else, not them. Who is this person speaking?
God.
Thank you. So
Like, take the heart
God was speaking these words in some of the stories being told. God. So when you say I am the mayfly on the surface of the river, that was God. I am the frog swimming in the clear pond, that was God.
Wouldn't that depend on what you're writing now? Whether you intended it to be God or not?
Yes. You're right. That's why this lesson is high school, because the lesson of the points of view, that's You know, you learn that in middle school. Points of
I think
view.
we already learned that
Yeah.
in English.
Yes. So here, although the words are personal, the I am, it is spoken by the God being, it becomes, right, a third person point of view. Is this making sense? That
Yeah.
basically now it's spoken by a God, it becomes a third person.
I get that in a way.
Okay, so here those three things at the time of this prehistoric people, of this mythological people, the I, the we, the I person, the I consciousness, the we consciousness, and the God consciousness is one. Right?
It's one.
Yeah.
First person.
At the time, there's no such thing as a third person or a second person. There's no such thing. There's just one. They're one.